In this example, we want to choose the equation that matches this graph of the ellipse. Before we try to answer this question, let's take a look at the two different orientations for ellipses that we focus on. We have one orientation is where your major axis is horizontal, and that means that your ellipse is going to be longer horizontally. And you can tell that this equation is the horizontal orientation by A being underneath the X. A is always going to be your larger number with ellipses, and so the fact that it's under the X means it's going to have that longer ellipse horizontally. So then the other orientation is when we're going to have our major axis vertical. So that would be our ellipse being longer vertically. And we can tell from the equation, because A is underneath the Y, so we're going to have that ellipse being longer vertically. Some other things to keep in mind is that A is the distance between the center and your vertices on the longer side, your major axis vertices, and B is your distance between the center and your minor axis vertices. So that's going to help us to build the equation if we're able to find A and B. So for this example, I want to mark out these points that we see here. And it looks like to me that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the point 5, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 5, 0. And this point is 1, 2, 3. That's 0, negative 3, and 3, 0. Now you can see that because we have, and I apologize, I should have written that as 0, 3 and not 3, 0. So you can see that our center is going to be at the vertex 0, 0. And then the distance between the center and these vertices, you can see, is 5 and 3. So, and you can see that this ellipse is longer horizontally, and so the template for the equation is this one here with the major axis being horizontal. So this is the template I'm using, x minus h squared over a squared plus y minus k squared over b squared equals 1. We already mentioned that the center of this ellipse is 0, 0, so I'm able to substitute in for h and k 0. And then we found a to be 5 and b to be 3. We've got y squared over 5, sorry, I got that mixed up a little bit. We've got an x minus h, that's x minus 0 squared, over a is 5. Then we have y minus 0 squared over 3 squared, since b is 3. And when we simplify, we get x squared over 25 plus y squared over 9 equals 1. So that is this answer choice here. X squared over 25 plus y squared over 9 equals 1. Thank you for checking out my videos. Have a great day.